Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Holden V8 Commodore Z-Series wagon. Stock reference number 4353. This shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 4th month 2013. It has an LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. LFW 3-litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, module and neck. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror, and also right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.